Bento baon for me and Kisha. Today, Mommy is going to put some rice. She says, I am going to talk by my own. Now, today's bento, Mommy is already putting rice. As you can see, it's look like a liner. Tap, 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 Mommy. What is that, guys? Oh, what is that yellow, guys? Now, she is putting the blue one. She is putting more blues. What is that, guys? Oh, it's a cherry. Oh, now Mommy is putting that brown one. Looks like a chocolate. Now, she is putting the two tiny eyes. Now, she is putting the mouth. Now, she is putting the design of the eyes. Blushy, blushy. More blush, Mommy, to make it cute. Now, she is putting the sprinkles. More sprinkles. Now, she is fixing it. Oh, Mommy is putting a liner. Now, it's the ulam, my favorite bacon. Now, she is putting the cheese hot dogs. On the other side, brownies and sour patch and orange. More, please. Mommy is fixing it. And tada! That's Mommy's peg. Wow! It's a cute cupcake. You can take a look, guys. Thank you for watching. Be happy. Follow us for more videos. Bye-bye.